Hello everyone, how have you all been? Is this your first time in my channel? If it is, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to follow my content. Also, don't forget the bell so you will receive the notifications when I upload a new video. Did you miss my colored pencils as much as I am? Today I will color a beautiful line art I got from Fraeulein? Sorry if it's not how you say it, German it's not my forte. If you don't know her art, please go to her social media because she colors and does so detailed drawings that I'm pretty sure you will follow her work immediately. You can find all the links on the description box below. I had this collab laid on my desk for months. When I got this line art, I was blown away by the amount of details. I wish I could do line arts like this every time. I really wish I did a better line art for her to color. If you want to check my line art colored by her, you can check also on the Instagram account and also Facebook. I have all the links in the description box below too. I was so scared to even start without getting an idea of what I wanted, that I waited until having the urge to color it and of course having at least something already in my mind. I never start without having an idea. I chose to use my pencils because I can do much more with them than Copic. That's why you will see a bunch of pencils. I specifically used 3 brands together. So I used Carandash, Prismacolor and Faber-Castell. They work very well together, but you don't need to do this combination if you don't want to. It's just what I like the most. The first idea I got for this beautiful girl was, without any doubt, she would be like a belly dancer. And I really have been wanting to color a different skin color, so I thought she was perfect for it. The colored pencils saved drawing on the skin, because I am pretty sure I would ruin everything with Copic, since I'm not used to color different skin colors with it. That reminds me, I need to try different tones for skin, and maybe I will do a video about it. Would you like to see it? So, I had the skin color, and the background reminded me of the solar system. So why not doing a beautiful Earth with some planets, but also the moon wrapping on her hair. You will notice there is one circle on the top that is interacting with her hair. I absolutely loved that idea. If you ask me, I would say she controls the stars and maybe the moon. That's at least the feeling I get from the illustration itself. Anyway, I didn't record all of this coloring because coloring pencils is all about patience and I took a long time. So the video would be very long and it's already too long for me. So I will just make some parts that I recorded. Some of them I didn't record it because I wanted to give my best on the drawing too. So you will see the parts that I like the most too. At this point, I was satisfied with the outcome, but when it got to the hair, oh man, that was a difficult part. I was so frustrated and scared of which color to use, you can't even imagine. Since the beginning, I wanted to do a dégradé, but with the background with this light and shining lights, I thought that a dark color would be better, so she would stand out more. I ended up using the same thought on her clothes and with the choice. I think until now I am a bit anxious, but hopefully she looks fine in the end. But like I was saying, colored pencils is all about patience. I think I only have it for drawing, and usually my friends always make fun of me because of it. I don't have much patience, but when it comes to coloring, I have a lot. Maybe because I don't have to deal with people and it's just me and the pencils. It's my zen time. after everything colored, let's pick our favorite white gel pen. But let me tell you something, white gel pen from Sakura didn't work very well, because I think the pigment of the colored pencils made a cape on the surface of the paper, so I could only do the dots to come out. The strokes I couldn't do it very well. But I had another white gel pen that saved my day. And then I used the Sakura on the top. There is some difficulties with different brands of white gel pens, and this piece reminded me of it again. Usually that only happens with colored pencils. Still, I was able to make the illustration more shiny and sparkly, but also make the clouds on the earth. And this was the result. What do you think? Do you like to see collabs like this? Let me know everything on the comments below, and if you would like to see more, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on other platforms. Everything is also in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!